The sticker is getting
Нет.
really, really
Нет.
because it's
Ну,
not
я
doing
не
what you
положил.
wanted to do.
Я не положил. Я положил на завтра.
So, yo,
Да.
if you're still in this, like,
Да.
I mean, if you want to hodl, hodl, but just be careful because it could dump at any point.
So, Amazon gonna run today?
I don't care about Amazon. We have fucking
CMG.
our Twitters and CMG.
Of course we have a CMG. I mean, we called it out yesterday for the premium guys.
Yeah, I got in kind of high, but this fucking swing is already paying off. Yeah, so that's the morning pump that we were about. But remember, you have to morning pump. Just don't think we're gonna trend because we might still dump.
Amazon contracts are getting really weird and pricey.
Hey, Dragos.
What's up?
143 puts for next week right now. You're seeing 210, 245
On shop?
on shop. It's like a random person selling them cheaper than everybody else around. And they're spiking now.
But yeah, but I think the whole market is down now.
Take a look at where shop
Yo,
bounced. It's textbook.
It's clear 180 in the market in like 2 minutes. This is crazy. Look at Netflix. The volatility, man.
Mm-hmm.
No, I think Shopify will see 155, dude. I think we need to be patient. Be patient with the short on this one.
We shall wait.
No need to rush. Actually, we should swing them.
If you took CMG from yesterday, it's totally okay to close it with your profit since you made some money.
Yeah, the spreads are a little funky on it right now because once it holds over 451, I start to really see the money.
Yeah, and it's so surprising, man. Twitter is really sturdy among like within this dump. Okay, wait. So our fins are dropping.
ISRG now looks good. Anyone interested in ISRG, that looks good now for an ER run too. Oh, but no, we got sell signals on ISRG right now.
Yeah, they're gonna pump the SPY.
We got the Trinity at 0.65, put call ratio neutral, ADD just slightly positive. We have the ticks are negative, and the tick Q is positive. Tick regular is negative. The VIX is in a risk on environment due to the sell-off from the 15 handle to the 1440 handle. So we are currently in a risk on environment. TLT is dropping. However, 10-year yield still rising.
Just a quick note, guys. Look at the 15-minute and look at that how that candle gapped up. I have never seen that big gap up, especially on ES.
Yeah, that's like I said before, backhand groveling happening right there. That's Mushin buying shit up on the open market.
Yeah, that is a fucking crazy gap up, dude, for all
Oh,
three
yeah.
indices
Oh yeah, dude,
on the
welcome
15-minute.
back. Yo, this is craziness.
You see that, Richard?
Of course, yeah. I mean, you know, just let DJT keep juicing for SPY 3K by midterms, right?
Yep.
Those SPX calls, I don't know if you want to keep holding them. We could just stay flat, you know.
I don't think so.
Yeah. We'll see. We're watching.
I don't think we're gonna end up flat. I think we're gonna rip in both directions. But it's just,
Drago, look at VC.
what you mean voice chat?
Yeah, exactly.
That's a nice call, SGT. You knew it all along. Okay, but yo, on a serious note, seeing some sell-off across the market here.
Yep.
So, Mike, remember that yen picture you sent me this morning? I said, "Oh, good, it spiked, so it should come down now." Look what's that big spikes like that should come down a little bit.
Anybody in Verizon, you should be up 100% on your position right now. Approaching 200%. Actually, we're over 200%. Never mind. You're 230% right now.
Yo, MU might run.
Yeah, it's just been consolidating at the base for a while now. When when it wants to run, it's gonna really run hard, I think.
Yeah, same. Oh, look at that green candle on Twitter. Nice. See, that's the thing, man. We buy ER runs at the low. That's what you gotta do.
Gotta wait for that positioning, you know? Has to come to you.
But how do you find the low?
You don't. You start adding.
Yeah.
You start your position and you hope it's the low.
Exactly. Or you wait for Richard to get in. That usually indicates one more low. Then you get in, right?
Yeah, because I like to add and start a position so I don't miss out on the price action. So like I don't mind being a little early to the party and suffering from a little bit of drawdown just for the sake of getting, you know, an extra 500% later. Looks like we're selling off here.
Yeah, it looks like we're actually selling off. So yeah, if you are in the calls, you could exit if you wanted to. But I don't know, man. They're dropping NQ faster than the SPX, which is weird. I think the Dow is too sturdy.
I'm gonna go smoke and chill. Back in a minute.
BKNG Lotto back to printing.
I want in the money.
Dude, if BKNG hits 100, I'm gonna cut my Is there a woman in the chat? Yeah, okay, so I'm not gonna say it.
What happened?
Nothing.
Oh, you took the BKNG put yesterday, right?
Yep.
How up are you on those?
20 cents. Look at them now.
Which ones did you take?
1900.
From 20 cents to $1, not bad.
Yeah. It's a Hail Mary though.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, gold is consolidating at this 1200 base. Should go higher soon. The dollar is dropping really heavily now. I think this is going to start the next down move on the dollar. So we should see gold going higher here. Whoa.
Oh wow. Amazon enter position 1 downside. Holy fuck.
Damn. 1750. The dream. Because I know Christie is in gold, so I just wanted to update. Time for a dab, that's too early. So yeah, dude, AMD is getting pinned here. It's really looking weak. So you might see some more sell-off. But you gotta be picky, you gotta be picky. Like you gotta exit at a good price and wait for this bounce. Because they usually bounce it, right? We don't go in a straight line. Except for Amazon. You're right. Yeah, the ER is coming, but if it's still weak, like there's no point in buying it for now. If we could still see more downside. Okay, yeah, I have something, guys. If SPX pumps higher here, and we could see we can find a good entry. We need to buy some banks like JPM. I'm gonna wait on this dump.
Bill, you there? Can you check something for me? Is JPM enter position 1 on the 2-day and enter position 1 on the 4-day?
Let me check. Loading. Computer's lagging with all the scripts.
Dem scripts.
RTN is also position 1 on the 3-day. We have TLT on position 3 on the 7-day. So it has now it should actually come back up. We're on position 4 on the 4-day and position 3 on the 7-day. So TLT should start to make its rise back up. Is that the case? Is it catching bottom?
My JPM's not loading yet, but TLT is a 4-day coming out of its shorts, TC4 shorts, and also on the A7 is also TC3 short coming out of that one. So TLT should be reversing to the upside.
Yeah. So we should get some stability.
And my JPM is not loading. I don't know why, but so let me check out XLF. XLF, TC A7 TC3 long. So that's going to be reversing as well. So that makes sense.
So Amazon is time cycle 1 on the downside. Are we gonna entertain this?
You know, I was for Apple puts yesterday. Remember?
Yeah.
Yep. Where my bears at?
Not liking.
You know, Amazon drops under 1900. We're gonna see whole dollar moves down.
It is V crashing now. Yo, we should short V, dude. Goes up every time until it. But is this time though?
Yeah, I don't know why my JPM is not loading. Oh, yeah, it's not even loading.
Yeah. Yeah, CMG was not what I was looking for.
Yeah, put call ratio once again really high at 0.83. So puts are being sold into the market. TrinQ is again at an extreme high of 1.9. This is crash territory again, like yesterday. So looks like mother of all relief rallies, not in the books just yet. Trin is coming down a little bit, but I wouldn't count on anything just yet. VIX is spiking up once again, so signaling a risk-off environment. And Amazon is going under 1900.
That felt like so weird the way you said it.
Insane market, man.
Yep. Rest in peace, Netflix.
You see, this is why we can't stay in positions for long. Look at this.
Yeah, of course.
I'm short shop here. I took 147 piece for today.
Wow.
What'd you get them at?
90 cents. Actually, it filled me at 98 cents, so whatever.
Yeah, you should be up on those already.
Yeah, I am. 10%.
Yep, they're now $1.10. $1.15. Oh, Finisar is also in time cycle 1 to the downside. And GLD is enter position 1 downside on the monthly.
That's so BS.
But it's
Gold being a short, lol.
it was a short, I think, already for a couple weeks though.
Yeah. So
But the thing is that it's still in time cycle 1. It's still not even in time cycle 2, which means there should still be more downside.
no, don't short gold.
Don't short gold.
I'm telling you, don't short.
I'm
You're
not
gonna-
shorting gold. I'm just reading the readings, bro.
You're gonna get your account wrecked.
Please, you're getting your account wrecked just playing options in this chop.
Yeah, like CMG.
Oh,
IQ's a 1 day fire, 1 short.
It's alright, Verizon's gonna pay for CMG.
$325% of Verizon, not bad. Travis, you got in on that one?
yeah, he did.
That's great. Great job.
Yeah, but these contracts were fucking
ABV
small.
is a fire, 1 short.
I mean, good trade.
Good trade still, right?
I guess.
Oh boy, $1 million bet on a bearish Tesla. Okay.
Verizon's at 55.40. This is our point of control. This we
Mike, you were cutting out when talking about Verizon.
we tap 55.40. That's our point of control. Dragos, CMG. What are we doing? Cutting it here? I don't like this.
Yeah, same. I think I'm gonna wait for a bounce.
You guys held through CMG in the morning after I said cut it?
You didn't
Yeah,
say
yeah,
cut
we
it. You
had-
said you could exit.
I said exit. It said it's coming down.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna exit for 20 cents. Come on, dude.
Well, how many contracts were you holding? Were you only holding one fucking contract?
One.
Well, yeah,
one.
okay. You should have taken 20, and then you would have been okay.
Oh,
The fuck, your account size? What the fuck are you playing one contract for?
Cause I don't wanna sleep well, dude.
Dude, with your account size, you're playing one fucking contract?
I have to keep the margin for fucking gold, dude.
Jesus
Chill.
Christ, man.
The money.
Just go make another oil trade or something. You'll be fine. Here you go, Amazon under 1900.
1864 incoming then. And look, need a bounce here. If it doesn't bounce, I'm setting on the 50-day on the 5-minute, which is where it usually bounces.
Wow, is Amazon really entering a bear market? If Amazon is entering a bear market, holy fuck.
Yep.
I'll be back, gentlemen.
Nah, I don't think so. Let's see what it does here. SPX is not dropping at all.
Damn shot came out of the money.
You got greedy.
Yo, Bill, are you still holding your SPX? Hello? Hello? Bill?
I don't know if Bill's on the mic right now.
Okay.
He's probably doing something with his daughter.
Yeah.
Nice spike on CMG here.
Yeah. See, no problem. And yo, like, don't fret. It's not going anywhere. It's called fluctuations for something, dude.
So
I got
puts had 2,500.
Mills. We don't hear. Sorry, dude.
I'll type it out.
Okay, cool. Thanks. I'm sorry. We just don't hear you well.
November on that date. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
We can hear you now.
2,500 volume on the $70 Best Buy put for 16 November this morning. It
Huh.
broke below the 200-day moving average.
Yeah. Yeah, it's interesting, dude. But I haven't followed really like Best Buy. I don't know what to tell you, dude. I'm sorry. I have no clue.
It's all good, bro. I'm just mentioning it for the good of the group if anybody does follow it.
Yeah, thanks.
We have a confirmed 50 under the 200 cross on CMG, or not CMG, but on shop hourly. This is indicative of a heavy down move on shop. If you go back and look at the charts.
Wow. gold spiking with the dollar. Wow, this is just
Bizarre.
what I like. So, who was about to shake us out of CMG?
I'm just saying. Exactly.
You gotta chill, dude. You gotta chill. If shit is ready to reverse, it's ready to reverse, man. Like you have to. That's why I don't go in big because man, this pullback. If you're in big, you're like fucking sweating.
Yeah.
And with school, I can't handle like big positions. So
Like when you had 100 spy puts.
yeah, like this, I was on vacation. My biggest position right now is Twitter, but that's fine because we're close to a low. It's like the probability of Twitter going up is so large. It's almost 95%. So I'm happy holding big position in this, but like I'm never gonna go in like super huge on something like Google. Otherwise, I'm gonna lose my account. Oh wait. DM.
So you can sell your Verizons right now into the on the ads. We'll make
DM's like the nagging teacher that would be like, oh yeah, nah. You nagging teacher.
Say again on Verizon.
You can sit on the ask right now, and in a spike, you'll make 300% off. They're at 9 cents from 3 cents. I'm looking for 30, 40 cents on this, honest, but that's just me.
Baidu's gonna break 200. Wow.
Market
This is
data
history.
connection lost.
Wow, CMG, I didn't realize it's such a slow game and stuff. Makes big moves, but it does it all like at once, and it's
Yeah, but if there is a time, big move, it would be now.
oh yeah,
So-
I agree. I just didn't know it did it. This way. Never played
Listen,
it.
listen,
Played it.
listen. I don't know who's in this group, but I'm willing to take a $20 to $30 loss on it, even though I could have taken the break even. Like that's just me. But if you're not comfortable, then yeah, you just wanted this spike up. Then you see a huge red candle and a correction here, just exit if you really want to. But you know, like
It's all different.
yeah, I'm just saying, like we're close to a low on CMG, and therefore it shouldn't dip more.
No, I agree. I mean, I think CMG's up. I just like it. I wanted to close over 452 for 3 today.
HSI still bleeding. Emerging markets might go up though soon because the dollar is going to drop. So that's something to recognize.
Shop 1 hour is looking at cheese.
Yeah.
The downside, so I'm looking for more downside on shop. out of this candle. 15-minute just opened, so I'm gonna be watching it here.
Well, my friend was down 80% of his account and made it today
Very nice.
with Netflix puts.
Very nice. What's that? He took my money.
And now he's copying my fucking trades, bitch. CMG and no, Jim. It depends on your trading style, Jim. You don't say that you sell this shit for $60 because you knew it would pull back. Nobody fucking knew it would pull back, okay? And we're ready to rip. And remember what happened last time, man. CMG, we had some contracts and they went to the moon. That's what options are for. But I know you like to scalp, so
Yeah, Jim.
but I don't like to scalp options. I like to go for these big winners. And as we speak, CMG breaking to new highs. Guys, we're going to 460 and 470s.
Damn, I sold my shit early.
Yep.
I'm looking for shop to go to 145. Waiting on a nice push out of
Oh yeah, DM. But you know. Steady hands. That wasn't even weak. It's like fucking Trump hands right there, dude. Nah, you're not stuck. Oh, this guy's funny.
Sweet. I like this. Shop and CMG diverged. Shop's spiking. That's what I was looking for.
Oh, and also let's take a look at TTWO. Was it a good short? Yes. Yes. 139.
Guys,
But who took me out?
BA is entering time cycle 3 on the 3-day algorithm. Maybe time to take some shorts on BA.
Yes.
I'll do that. What are we looking at next week? Take 380s, 377 50s.
Why not short cat though?
I've never played cat. I'm used to playing VA.
Okay. I'm just saying because last time we were debating on we should short BA or cat. Cat was actually better, but yeah, it's fun.
Short them both. I mean, you got the account. Because I think cat's a short too. I think he's a short.
All right, one contract on both.
What contract you taking on BA?
The 330s.
On BA?
You want to go for 380s?
Yeah, you're taking 330s on BA?
Yeah, I'm expecting a crash.
For what week?
November.
Oh, you're going way out. Okay. Well, you got ER,
Yeah, man. ER dump.
so you're playing November 2nd, 3:30s.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, so you want next week 380s.
That's what I was looking at, was next week 380s or 370s.
Okay, but what are we expecting?
Well, if we see 385, that's a two-step move. The 370%, the 380s would make just under 100%.
Yeah, you can go for it. I'm comfortable holding my positions. I'm not gonna entertain this short. I don't think so.
Shimon shop.
Yeah, I know, DM. You told me about it, and I remember you called it. Nice. Yeah, but it's all good. Like you see why we were like hesitating on whether we should take the long, because that long was iffy. Now it's dumping, so it's all good, dude. Like you didn't time. You weren't in Caterpillar. I wasn't even in Amazon. Even if I said it was going down, because that fucking pump right there just shook me out. I didn't know what to do. So I understand your situation. It's tough. Yep.
What kind of position sizes are you playing that you're getting shaken out so easily? Like, what's I would.
No, it's not the position size. It's what the actual stock is doing.
Oh.
I'm a puss. Yeah, like you can't take a put on Amazon if this thing is just ripping every day. Like, was I wrong?
Well, you took a put on
Yeah,
Netflix when it was ripping every day. I was like, where do you short this thing? And you were like, no, you shorted here. And I was like, I don't see it. And it happened, right? You were right. I was
Yeah.
wrong, right? Because, like, how do you short something that's parabolic for years, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's tough. You have to be Dragos. You have to be fucked up in your head. Oh well, at least I didn't get shaken out of CMG.
Oh, well. Not going to cry about it, you know?
I love you, dude. I love you.
Took some profit, move on, you know?
Oh yeah.
Because, you know, with days like, you know, that we're getting, it's crazy.
You know what? Wait a second. You give me your opinion. I give you your opinion. Now let's rejoice, as
Right.
we have the same fucking positions on Twitter, and we're all happy.
Right, of course.
Okay? So we can all rejoice.
Twitter's
Because
about to
we
make a
call-
run.
We call this shit in the chat for you boys.
Twitter looks like it really wants to make that run.
Yep.
Market's
this is
actually
going, dude.
market's showing some strength here.
Yeah,
and-
and if SPX is going to go higher, Twitter's just gonna fucking explode. Look at this shit. It's gonna go parabolic.
Oh wow, Amazon's about to run. Like, you know, like this morning everything was looking so bearish, and then the one day was giving us a sell signal, and now it's like misfiring. Now it's going in and out of a squeeze situation to the downside, and we might just end up getting a squeeze of the shorts. You know?
Yep. Yep. Welcome to the market.
Yeah.
Imagine you traders coming into this market. You're like, yo, what the fuck's happening?
Yeah, new traders are probably just like, what? Like, really, just it's confusing. It has to be, because like there is no direction. It's just it's a
There-
chop
yeah.
both ways.
Yeah, no, but it's
So
volatile.
the thing is if you can trade this and you can be profitable and not blow your account up, then when we return to a normal market, you'll be on like cruise control.
Yeah, it'll just be riding every wave up and down like it's nothing.
Yeah, exactly. This is like boot camp.
Dude, seriously, like from November from last year around the middle of the year to January, some of the elite team members of this room made millions of dollars. It was ridiculous. It was every up, every down, right? And then January crashed, and the market completely changed, right? So you didn't have the same opportunity.
Yep. And you just, if like one of our good friends, he lost big because he went big on his strategy.
Yeah.
That's why I don't want to go big, dude, because that's
Amazon
me.
next week 2000s for $6 look like they could happen.
Amazon 2000s for $6.
Next week's 2006 $6. They're now already $6.50.
Yeah, fuck that. No, I'm not swinging that over this one.
I'd rather get into Wittes.
I'll swing shot puts over the weekend. I'm not gonna.
I have a confirmation to upside for Facebook on the hourly, this hourly candle. That's the only confirmation I have.
I like that.
Oh, the Facebook confirmation's good too.
Domino's
Hey,
Pizza
Bob.
also alerted.
Yo, sorry.
Yes.
Is your TradeStation account out of Google's and Facebook's?
Yeah,
Я помню.
it's,
Okay, cool.
it's clear right now.
I'm ordering the water
Yeah,
right
I'm
now.
liking it for next week. I think
Я работаю. I'm ordering the water
contracts.
from Prime now. Да, будет in 2 hours будет.
Getting some upside signals, but no confirmation.
Мне надо бы, чтобы ты зашел в гараж, там есть ящик, и сделал мне ящик со всяким ликером, чтобы я положил в машину, чтобы было на всякий случай, понимаешь?
Okay.
Но это не обязательно прямо сейчас, когда ты сможешь.
Okay, я возьму 3 packs of those waters, by the way, okay? Because they're 12 pack and it's small, okay?
Sideways again, huh? Maybe. Let's see if it breaks.
Yeah, they're like $3
Above 29.13 this time. It's already touched it 3 times.
I'm gonna try to go today after work and see if I can like arrange something.
Ага. Теперь послушай меня.
If we break
I'm
out,
listening.
that'll be good. If we get rejected again, down.
Да, и я не положил твои heart pills для сегодня.
Come on, shot.
А, сегодня ты не положил, да?
No, I didn't, because you told me that you're going to dialysis.
Да, я был. Поэтому я сейчас хочу принять таблетки, я хотел просто узнать. Окей, значит, все в порядке.
Да,
Окей, хорошо, давай.
давай.
Поговорим потом еще. Давай.
Guys, if
Alright.
you're
Trading connection lost. Market data connection lost. Re-established. Market data connection re-established. Market data connection lost. Order filled. Market data connection re-established. Order filled. Order cancelled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
If Amazon triggers an EC to the down, I'm definitely taking next week's.
Dude, Amazon is in time cycle 1 downside.
I know, but I'm talking about if it triggers an EC as well.
Look, I think my reading is even misfired at this point. Now it's not even showing me a reading anymore.
Come on, Amazon, break 1870 here.
Thanks, Travis. Yeah, it's working now.
Oh my god, dude.
Amazon puts now 235 on
Yeah,
the ask.
I'm up 116% on my chase.
It's redunculous, tell you, dude. No
Yeah,
reversal,
man.
man.
I'm
No
still
reversal
in
today,
those. I'm
guys.
still 342 and
Dead
the
cat
exit
bounce,
those.
maybe.
Yo, close your BKNG.
Way too heavy a sell off to recuperate from this. Unless some crazy catalyst news comes out right now, but
Dude, you saw the rumors coming out last night about the possible China deal?
yep. Freaking HSI died.
Yep.
Yeah,
The giant ants.
exactly. But that's fine, because that means they're going to run even more when it's time.
That's fine. That means that
China and US
Chinese
are playing
portfolio
games, man.
that's fine. That means that everybody's Chinese portfolio.
Is currently dead, but in the future it'll come back to life with a vengeance.
Exactly. Everything's at value, right?
Oh, Amazon's getting some buyers. Yeah, Amazon's
Yeah.
getting buyers here. I'm going to close my Amazon put here.
Are you closing? Okay.
Yeah, I just covered. I only made 30% on it when that spike. That spike just ate all my gains. So I covered. VIX took a hard nosedive here from 1612 down to 1590. That's where the spike came from.
The reason why I said to say shave half earlier, right a few minutes ago, is because I noticed every time I drop off my daughter right around 9 o'clock, that's when the peak premium is when the premium is the highest, and by the time I get home, I miss the high sell.
Daughter too strong.
Seems like that's from hearing what Mike just said. Seems like that's what's happening.
Okay, D Caruso, you're in. Okay, yeah. So
I tend to miss my exits right around now.
Yo, so tell me, what was your?
Order
It was
cancelled.
next week's CNG, right? And it was what was the strike? Was it the call spread?
Order filled.
Twitter being an asshole to us. All right, so I just closed my Amazon put. First one for 115%. Second one for 65%. And I can look for another position in Amazon if I want later.
Yes, speaking again.
Yeah, I'm still in. I think Yo, like I'm saying, like I there's one drop, and then that's it.
No reversal yet.
Yeah, no, the only reason why I sold it is because I saw the buying occurring on the market profile and I didn't want to risk it. So I said, you know what? I see the buying here. I'm just going to sell it. We're at the bottom of the value area. Point of control is all the way at 1901, right? So I'm gonna just take my profit and run. There's no reason to continue testing.
They're daily.
They're
I'm gonna
dailies,
exit.
exactly. In about half an hour, your theta is about to kick you in the ass.
Yeah, it's gonna.
Yep.
Ooh, 3M just fired short.
But damn, it's so funny how like one spike kills your fucking premium by like $50.
Yeah.
The
No.
world of options.
What do you guys think of 3M here down to 208 from 211?
How's a DE, Richard? I'm curious.
I didn't
Well,
even look at the.
Should have dumped. Nice.
Yeah, it dumped. It dumped from 157 to 155, as expected.
How's SQ too? SQ, oh my goodness, don't tell me it's under 95.
It's under
Don't tell me
93.
Oh man.
Yeah, so all of my plays were good. It was just a matter of patience.
What? What do you mean you're not hearing it?
Yeah, I don't know. Discord's wonky. I'm having that problem all day. Whoever it is that can hear, exit the room and re-enter.
He can hear you, so.
Who is it?
My boy D Caruso from EI. Wondering about the CMG. About the virtues of the restaurant businesses.
When shit's about to crash, you buy McDonald's and CMG. What else is there to know?
Yep.
Oh, also Dollar Tree and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, and Dollar Tree. That's right.
Hey, Quantum, good shit, good shit.
I cannot break.
I'll be right back.
You get profit today.
See, that's why I sold Amazon. Take a look at that.
You're too good.
I saw all that volume start to come in and all those gaps start to get filled, and I was like, yeah, we're done there.
Yep.
I'm not saying that it can't go lower. It can definitely go lower, but not right now.
Yeah, the trade is perfect. The trade is good, not the forecast maybe. But I mean, yeah, no, that's not a good way to put it. He played the trade, he didn't play the forecast. That's what I meant. Because we're holding shit that expires in one day, and you know how Amazon is. If you're not in the money, your data is gonna get dried from this bounce. So honestly, like, very good exit.
All right, NVDA just fired for an EC to the down as well.
Just keep in mind, Amazon should still be in a one-day TC1 short.
Mm-hmm.
INTC going for 42. Can you hear now?
All right, I'll be right back, gentlemen. Gotta go take care of a few minor things, and I'll be back shortly.
Holy, don't say it. It's a bad word, apparently. Porter, why are you doing?
SQ just broke 93.
Good luck, Porter. Keep
What is
on
he
playing
playing?
like stupid leverage DTF instead of playing CL. Hope. Oh.
Jesus. MBTA is expensive for next week. Tesla's 263. Us just announced that shorting stops private companies from going public, which limits investor access. As we're all short today.
They're gonna come with another rule. You can't short the market. Prohibited.
That'd be the dumbest thing I've ever heard of. Dude, those 1840s that we were just in on Amazon are back at $2. Fuck. Good job on that hold, Dragos.
No, I sold. Yeah. Sad.
I know, I kind of want to take another one now.
Yeah, same.
You gonna take an 1820? Spreads are nuts, though.
Yeah, I think we need to wait. It's also lunch, so
Yeah.
might start to fizzle out.
Ollie, I don't have unlimited day trades. I'm on Tastyworks, so I have good faith value. So I can trade up to the amount of cash that I have at the open of the day, in and out. And then once I'm in and out that amount of cash, I can still go into positions. I just have to hold them for a day at that point. It's much, much, much easier, much, much, much better than Robinhood. Yes, I have a cash account. I'm not playing margins. I don't play spreads and things that Dragos plays. I do have a margin account set up and pending. I just haven't added it yet.
Yeah, and I don't. If you're new to the stock market, don't get margin, please. Okay, he can't hear. Thanks for the invite.
What do you think about 267.50s on Nvidia today? It's hard, isn't it? I want to do it.
It's hard. Like you're asking me about chasing like the short, which could happen.
Scary.
I mean, it's yeah. I see a bear flag. Do you want to take it? Maybe. I don't know. But I'm not fond of daily. Just for
No.
Amazon, just for Amazon to catch that volatile move, that was fine. But now,
Yeah. But I mean, if you look at Nvidia puts for next week, the premium's so freaking high on them at this point that you can't play it.
yeah. But we're back in April. Yeah, I know. I saw Tesla.
I'm actually going to be looking at like 280 calls for next week, 290 calls for next week on Tesla. Depends on what the price is at the end of the day. My 265p for this week is $3.80 right now. Jesus Christ. Still was yesterday.
Wow, those 1840 puts are still moving, huh?
Still printing.
Still printing. That's awesome. All right, guys. I think I might actually have to take the rest of the day off because I have a wedding tomorrow to go to. My own wedding. You know, one of those things. So I gotta.
it's tomorrow.
Oh, that's so sweet. Congrats, bro.
Yeah.
It's
So
tomorrow?
I gotta deal with that. Yeah, it's tomorrow. Dragos,
Well, how the fuck am I gonna get?
you made enough money to get on a plane.
All right, let's go.
You told me that you were gonna let me know whether you can make it. I told you which day it was.
I thought it was on the 20th.
Bro,
I thought I read it wrong.
how many times did I fucking tell you? Holy shit,
Hey,
bro.
at this point, let's laugh at the fact that all I can send you is an airport bottle.
All right, guys, I'm going to. Peace.
Hey, does anybody see a waterfall on Tesla here? Because I really do.
I do see the potential downside on Tesla, but I'm actually going to be looking at picking up calls for next week.
I don't have a problem with next week calls. I'm just thinking a scalp to the lows. Like fucking 240 out of the monies or something.
For when? Today?
My voice chat dished if you said anything. I missed.
Yeah, I said, what are you trying to take a 240 on for today? Because I don't see that happening.
Yeah, I don't see anything stupid, but I mean, well, I'm gonna look at the puts. Let me see.
I mean, it breaks 260. It's definitely going in like 252 area is definitely a real possibility.
Never mind. Premiums are ridiculous.
Yeah, they're insane.
I've just got FOMO so bad right now, dude.
And that's why we are being very cautious because you don't want to get caught in FOMO downside or upside.
Well, that's why I stick around guys in these chat rooms and stuff because they tell me to not get FOMO.
Exactly. If you're by yourself and you're trading by yourself, you get FOMO.
Well, actually, I think that if you pay attention to too much noise, you get FOMO. Period.
That
I agree with that sentiment 100%.
That can happen.
That's why we try to keep noise to a min.
What shot that? Jesus Christ, that fucking foot I had.
All right, well, my idea was to come back to it Monday so I don't get burned by these exorbitant premiums. Mazel tov, Richard. I hope you have a good day tomorrow, brother.
Thank you. I'm thinking about making one last trade before I go.
FOMO!
Amazon's now.
No. Yeah, no, it's an Amazon trade, but I'm thinking about taking an Amazon wallet for next week.
Dude, I'm very cautious of taking anything long right now. You're trying to knife catch.
Yeah, man, the premiums are just stupid, bro.
Well, think about this, okay? I just want you to think about this just for 1 second, okay? A 220 call for next week, okay, was $40, $40 on October 1st. That's 4 days ago, okay? Right? That's 4 full days ago. That's, 4 trading days ago, okay? $40, right? You know what they're going for right now?
260.
260. Yeah. If there was ever a knife to catch,
Dude, Apple is pissing me off. Reject already.
I mean, that's a juicy steak, but it's a lot of risk.
If Amazon was sitting at 1864, I'd be all in ready to take the call. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and cover IBM here for about 95%. I mean, not 95%, about 25%, sorry. I just want out of it. It's not moving. Money can be put elsewhere. Went ahead and closed it. I'm holding Apple. The Apple ad seems to be a bad ad. It is on cycle 4 downside. We have till next week on it.
okay, you know what? I'm thinking since we're in time cycle 1 on Amazon downside, right? We're gonna probably have 1 flat day on Amazon. So I'm probably going to enter the calls probably Monday.
And this is difficult trading right here.
By the way, when I mentioned those 260s, you didn't need to buy them right then and there. They're already worth like 280. Who did that?
260s on what?
The 220s.
I didn't buy it.
Someone already bought them up. There's already volume flowing into those. Yeah. Okay. So that's my game plan. Time cycle 3. End of day Monday. Amazon play. All right. Have a great weekend, guys. Hope you cashed in on some of those put plays, and we'll check you on Monday.
Guys, I'm watching Apple for a rejection here. If it closes 225 or if it goes above 225, it does have a move possibly back to 226.28. I don't think I will close my call. I think what I'll actually do is, my put. I think what I'll actually do is I will take a 227.50 call on it for today and close it at the 226.28 just to offset the loss I'm going to have in my put, because it is showing for downside continuation. I do have a price target of 218. So I don't want to close my put. I just want to hedge it if we